Kohler Provo Faucet Installation Guide. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a step-by-step installation guide for the Kohler Provo faucet. Whether you're upgrading your sink or just replacing an old faucet, this video will walk you through the process. Let's get started. Number 1. Preparation. Turn off water supply, locate the shut-off valves under the sink and turn them clockwise to close them. If no shut-off valves are present, you may need to turn off the main water supply to your home. Drain residual water, open the faucet to drain any remaining water. Remove the old faucet, use a basin wrench to loosen and remove the nuts holding the old faucet. Clean the area around the sinkhole to remove any old sealant or debris. Install the faucet. Position the faucet, place the new Kohler Provo faucet into the sinkhole. Ensure it's centered and aligned properly. Seal the base, apply a thin bead of plumber's putty around the base of the faucet or use the included gasket. This helps create a watertight seal. Secure the faucet. From underneath the sink, slide the rubber gasket onto the faucet's shank. Follow with the metal washer and then screw on the mounting nut. Tighten the nut by hand, then use a wrench to ensure it's secure, but avoid over-tightening as this can damage the sink or faucet. Number 2. Attach water supply lines. Connect supply lines, thread the water supply lines onto the faucet's inlet ports. Make sure you connect the hot and cold lines to their respective ports. Use plumber's tape, wrap plumber's tape around the threads of the supply lines before attaching them to prevent leaks. Tighten connections, hand tighten the connections and then use an adjustable wrench to secure them further. Number 3. Install the drain assembly, if applicable. Install the drain flange, place the drain flange into the sink drain hole. Apply a bead of plumber's putty around the flange if required. Number 4. Check for leaks. Turn on water supply, slowly turn on the shut-off valves to restore the water supply. Test the faucet, turn the faucet on and check for leaks around the faucet body, supply lines, and drain assembly. Check drainage, ensure that the drain assembly is properly sealing and that there are no leaks. Final adjustments. Adjust faucet handle. If the faucet handles are adjustable, ensure they are properly aligned and functioning smoothly. Professional help. If you encounter any issues or are unsure about the installation, consider hiring a professional plumber. By following these steps carefully, you should be able to install your Kohler Provo faucet efficiently and ensure a long-lasting, leak-free setup.